Hello friends, welcome back again to Digital Era. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a playlist for your YouTube videos. But before I get started, please don't forget to support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. Creating playlists, guys, is very important to gain more viewers on your YouTube videos. So if you haven't created one, here's the tutorial for you. Just watch me till the end of my video. So first, just go to your YouTube channel. And from here, you can just simply tap on library. Let us scroll down. Okay, you can see here, guys, the new playlist with a positive icon. So just tap on here. Okay, and then click next. Then let us create a title for our new playlist. Then once you're done, click next. You can choose a privacy here by tapping on that icon. Alright, so we have a choices here. It can be private, unlisted, or public. So just choose one, and once you're done, click the create icon. Okay. So this is now the playlist that we created, titled Buhay Probinsya. So what we're going to do now is let us go back to our channel. Okay, then tap on your videos. And this is the list of the videos that I uploaded on YouTube. So what we're going to do now is to select all the videos that we wanted to enter in our new playlist. Okay, so let us scroll down. Then tap on the icon located on the right corner of your video. Then just tap on the save to playlist. Okay, you have a choices here to save the video to the playlist that you created. Just choose your playlist. Then repeat the process, guys, for all the videos that you wanted to enter for that specific playlist. Okay? If you are interested, guys, and to know more about my life in the province, so might as well consider watching my videos on this playlist titled Buhay Probinsya. Your support, guys, on my channel is highly appreciated. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, suggestions, recommendations regarding this video, so feel free to send me a message down below on the comment section. And I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Agyaman ako.